Hello, today we are working on math facts of 8. We have made our T. In our T we have represented 8 with our manipulatives. We've been using food in class. So we put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 food or manipulative hands-on items. We did our number line at the bottom. 0 from 8 are all going to be our factors. Since we're adding, it can only be factors that come before 8 on our number line. We're going to start at the very beginning of our number line and work our way up or work our way in. So 0, put 0 in my first box, and then I'm going to cross off 0 in my number line, move the remaining of my manipulatives into my second box. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 0 plus 8 equals, and now we're going to find out how many nulls. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in all. Cross off my 0, my 8 on my number line, and make my rainbow. My next math fact is going to be the very next number that comes on my number line, which is the number 1. Move all my manipulatives up to the top, and then start on my very next math fact. I'm going to put my 1 down here and write my number 1 up at the top, cross off my 1 that I'm using on my number line. Now I'm going to take everything else up in my box and move it down to my next box. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we said 1 plus 7 equals, and let's find out how many are in all. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 plus 7 does equal 8. Cross off our 7, draw our rainbow. And then we're going to go ahead and reset for our next math fact. Move all of the manipulatives back up to the top and find our next number that we're going to use on our number line. The next number that's not crossed off is the number 2, so we're going to start there. We're going to move 1, 2 manipulatives down, write the number 2 above it. Then we're going to move the remainder of our manipulatives over here. Cross off 2 on my number line, move the remainder, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I move 6 over, write 6 up here, find 6 on my number line, cross it off. We know we're adding because it's a math fact. We're going to find out if it equals 8 in all. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It does equal 8. It is a factor of 8. They're crossed off, and now I'm going to draw my rainbow. I'm going to go ahead and reset. Move everything back up to the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. They're all back up at the top. My next number is 3. I'm going to move 1, 2, 3 on down to my first box, move the remainder over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 3 plus 5, we'll find out if it equals 8. Cross off those numbers on my number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 5 does equal 8. My numbers are crossed off, and now I'm going to draw my rainbow. I have one very last math fact on my number line. Move them all up to the top, and I'm going to start with that math fact and see what happens from there. That number is 4. I'm going to move 1, 2, 3, 4 down and write my 4 above it. Now I'm going to move the remainder of my manipulatives into my second box. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write the number above it. Oh, that's why there's only 1. It's 4 plus itself. So 4 plus 4. Let's see if it equals 8 in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Indeed it does, so we're going to circle it. That one's special. It's doubled. Sometimes you have a number plus itself to equal your fact that you're looking for.